earn 1000 monthly. Wow, really? Is it possible? Yes. To know details, just watch this video first to last to be surprised. To get more this related video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start it. Do you want to get into affiliate marketing but don't know where to start? Joining affiliate program is one of the easiest way to make money as a content creator. However, scouting out the right program for your audience can be challenging. One of the best options to consider is Amazon Associates or Amazon Affiliate Program. Whatever your niche might be, there are several ways you can incorporate Amazon products into your content. For instance, you can create gift guides, write product reviews, or put together product lists such as recommended books or top out. In this video, we'll look at the benefits of joining Amazon Associates. Then we'll know how to become an affiliate. From setting up your account to generating links for your favorite products, let's get started. Why want to be an Amazon affiliate marketer? As an Amazon affiliate, you can earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through an affiliate link in your content. This means you can make a passive income simply by promoting products that are sold on Amazon. There are other reasons you may want to consider signing up for Amazon Associates. Free and easy to join. It is stored to millions of products. It offers several options for displaying products. How to become an Amazon affiliate? Do you want to know about this? Okay. Before applying to Amazon affiliate program, you need to have a live website. If you have just launched a blog, you might want to publish some original posts to become an Amazon affiliate programmer before submitting your application. Having an active site increase your chance or traffic to get your sales. You can also set up an Amazon affiliate account for your YouTube channel or mobile app. Follow just 5 steps. Number 1. Sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. Start by heading to the Amazon Associates homepage. Select your language and location from the top menu and then click the yellow sign up button in the header. The next page will ask you to sign in with an existing Amazon account. If you don't have one, click on the create your Amazon account button and you will be taken to a registration page. Once you have set up your account, return to the Amazon Associates homepage and sign in with your details. Then you can start filling out the application for the affiliate program. Step 2. Enter your personal details and website address. Next, let's go through the application step by step. On the first page, account information. You'll be asked to provide and confirm your personal details, primary your name, address and mobile number. At the bottom of the page, select the main contact for the account you are creating. You can choose yourself as the payee by checking the pay listed above mentioned. Above option. Alternatively, you can add another contact by selecting the second option. When you are done, hit next to move on the website and mobile app list. Where you can add the web addresses where you plan to promote Amazon products. This can include websites, blogs, YouTube channels, and mobile apps. Step 3. Build your profile. The profile page will ask you to provide some information about your website or mobile apps. Start by setting up your associate's ID. You can use your name or your website's name for this. Note that the ID will also appear in your affiliate links. Next, write a few sentences explaining what your website is about. From the list provided, choose the topics that best describe your website. Pick the kind of Amazon products you plan to promote and select the types of website or apps you own. In the traffic and monetization section of the page, you will need to tell Amazon how you will drive traffic to your site and how you will generate money from your content. Use the list provided to select the options that apply to your site. Before clicking on Finish, you might want to read the Associate Program Operating Agreement mentioned in the Contract Terms section. Step 4. Select your payment preferences. Once you have built your profile and hit Finish, you will see a page confirming that your application has been submitted. You will also find some information about using your associate ID and navigating the affiliate program. Amazon will review your application once you have made the first sale through your website. If you don't make at least 3 sales within the next 180 days, your application will be withdrawn. This page will also ask you to enter your payment details and tax information, but you can choose to do that later. Step 5. Start generating your affiliate links. That's it. You are now an Amazon affiliate. Note that Amazon asks you to identify yourself as an associate and put a disclaimer on your website. You might want to do this right away to avoid getting banned from the affiliate program. When you are ready to create your first Amazon affiliate link, head to the Amazon Associates homepage. This is where you will search for products and track your monthly performance. Let's generate the first affiliate link. Navigate to quick links, search for product and type the product you are looking for into the search bar. Click on Go and you will get a list of results. Choose your product and hit the accompanying Get Linked button. Next, you will see a page with options for displaying the product on your website. Next, text and image, text only, image only, and add to widget. The option you choose, you will get an HTML code to add to the up page or post where you wish to display the product. If you select text only, you can grab a link instead of the code. There are 5 steps in details. Becoming an Amazon affiliate is a good, straightforward process. All you need to do is: number 1, sign up for the full Amazon affiliate program. Number 2, enter your personal details and website address. Number 3, build your profile. Number 4, select your payment preferences. Number 5, start generating your affiliate link. For more information on the Amazon affiliate program, you can follow this channel. Do you have any questions about becoming an Amazon affiliate? Let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and LinkedIn, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.